Hi, welcome to Dr. Medics. We are going to learn about Anatomy Basics Part 2. Do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Human body system has skeletal system, nervous system, muscular system, respiratory, endocrine, immune, cardiovascular, lymphatic, urinary, integumentary system, reproductive system, digestive system. Integumentary system. This is the large organ of the body, equalizing 15 to 20% of our total body. Includes skin, nails, hair. Acts as a barrier to physical, chemical, biological agents. Skin prevents water loss. These are the functions of the integumentary system. Skin prevents water loss, regulates body temperature, transmits the sense or touch, pain, pleasure, maintains body temperature by secreting sweat. Nails protect the fingers. Hair lubricates the scalp, which secretes pheromones and cools or warms the head. Next, skeletal system. Skeletal system maintains the structure of the body and its organs. Divides into axial and appendicular skeletal. Axial consists of skull, chest, vertebral column. Appendicular skeleton consists of shoulder, arms, hand, pelvic, legs, foot. See, this blue color skeleton is the axial skeleton and remaining pink color is the appendicular skeleton. So, axial skeleton consists of skull, chest and vertebra. Appendicular skeleton consists of shoulder, arms, hand, pelvic, legs and foot. Muscular system. Muscular system has movement of the body, maintains posture, circulates blood throughout the body, consists of skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles in the cardiac region, skeletal muscles in the muscles, smooth muscles in the gut. Circulatory system or cardiovascular system. This system circulates blood around the body via heart, arteries, veins, delivering oxygen and nutrition to the organs and cells and carrying their waste products away. Keeps the body temperature in a safer range. Endocrine system influences the function of the body using hormones. We'll see each and every system detailed in further videos. It's just intro and basics of the anatomy. Digestive system. This system absorbs nutrition and remove waste via the gastrointestinal tract, including the mouth, esophagus, stomach and intestine. Eliminates waste from the body. Immune system and lymphatic system. This system is the defense body against pathogens that may harm the body. This system is the defense of the body which against the pathogens. The system comprising a network of lymphatic vessels that carry a clear fluid called a lymph. Nervous system collects and processes information from the senses via nerves and the brains and tells the muscles to contract to cause physical actions. Renal system, the system where the kidney filters the blood to produce urine and get rid of waste. Reproductive system, the reproductive organs required for the production of offspring. Offspring is child. Respiratory system brings air into and out of the lungs to absorb oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Thank you. Do subscribe, like, share, comment if any doubts.